guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be checking out some fake AirPod 3's from DHGate. These were about $30 and they look great from the outside. So on the front we have the AirPod 3 designs, on the right we have an Apple logo, and on the back we have the picture and with the new ceiling that Apple has integrated. On the right again with an Apple logo, and the bottom has the model number and just the normal Apple messages. So let's open it up from the back. So this is like the new ceiling that Apple has integrated on their new products. So let's peel it from here. And it didn't seem to come out like it was supposed to. So let's just peel it from the other side. And let's do the bottom one. And the top one didn't come off very well, so we're just going to use a knife to cut it off. So now that we have the ceiling off, let's open this up. So the top is off, and as soon as we remove the top, we see the Design by Apple in California packet. Inside the packet, we have the AirPods manual, we have the regulatory stuff, and the Apple 1-year warranty. Inside the AirPods, we have the instructions, which is exactly like the real one. Inside the box, we have the AirPods, covered by plastic. Inside the box again, we have the charging cord. So the charging cord of this one is a USB-C to Lightning. Now let's test around with these AirPods. So we have the AirPods covered by plastic, the original ceiling. We're removing the plastic, and this is pretty much how it comes from Apple. Now that we have opened it up, we can see on the back the text like Apple, designed by Apple in California, and assembled in China. Right here we have the button which is used to pair, and inside we got the AirPod 3's. So let's get a phone and let's connect these and see how they work. Alright, now we have a phone to connect these to, and let's test them out. Opening up the AirPod case, we immediately get the Not Your AirPod message. Clicking connect, it tells us to hold the button on the back of the AirPods. So now we're going to hold it, and now it's connecting. At the top right here, we can see that it's connected and the AirPods are 100% charged while the case is 69%. Here, it gives us the options and it tells us how to use these AirPods. So right here, it tells us that these supported headphones have the option to announce calls and notifications. So I'm going to click announce calls, and then I'm going to click done. Now these AirPods are connected. So let's see what they have to offer. Going up in the menu, and then clicking the volume. Taking an AirPod out, we can force it to connect. Here, we see that it now shows our AirPods, and it has the option of spatial audio. Going into settings, and then Bluetooth. We can go to the AirPods and see all its settings. Here it tells our AirPods name, and it has automatic ear detection. We have the option to make it connect automatically to the phone. And we have the option to set up spatial audio. It has a microphone. And it shows us the serial number and model number of these AirPods. So let's test out the audio. Alright, now we got some music. Let's put it on and see how it sounds. So overall, these sound extremely loud. And it seems to be paused since I actually tapped one of the force sensors. So both AirPods right here have the force sensor. Clicking on the force sensor, it turns on and off. And they also have the in-ear detection, so it turns on and off when it's put in your ear and when it's taken out. So tapping it one time here, it pauses the music. Tapping it again, it plays the music. These AirPods also have the option of spatial audio. So right here, if we go check it out right here, it says spatial audio, and it has 3 options. You could either turn it off, you could have it on fixed mode, or head tracked mode. What spatial audio does is it makes the sound seem like it's all around you. These AirPods have a wireless charging case, meaning you can just put on a wireless charger and it will start charging as you see the indicator light. These things were $30 from DHGate plus $5 shipping. So far, they seem pretty good for the price. These originally go for $180. So, how can you get these? You can buy these again from DHGate, or you could subscribe and have a chance to win these for free. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is click on the link in the description, and there'll be a menu where you could enter the giveaway. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching.